Hey guys, it's Sydney from Not So Anon, and this week is baking week, and I'm going to be making French toast. So today I first have Nature's Own whole wheat bread, a large glass bowl, ground cinnamon, and cage-free eggs. This is just like my favorite breakfast that I like to make on like chill weekends or something. Or like if I wake up really early for school, I'll make this really fast because I just love French toast. But let's just get into the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with breaking the eggs. I'm gonna start off with 2 eggs. I'm gonna place one down so that I can crack this one. I think that I may just use 1 egg. Probably just there. And I'm gonna add ground cinnamon to my egg. That's a lot. And I am going to whisk my eggs with a fork. Next up, I'm going to open up my bread. I just got out my pan. I did not show that because I totally forgot to get the pan to cook the French toast on. So I'm just gonna get 2 pieces of bread and dip them in the egg. Now I'm gonna spray my pan with olive oil, and now I'm going to cut on the stove to like the medium setting, and I'm going to put my first piece of bread down. So I just flipped over both pieces. I'm just gonna let it cook a little bit more to ensure that like the eggs are cooked because I don't want it to be raw. Ooh, they're sticking together. But otherwise, I think that I'm gonna add a little bit more cinnamon, just like a dash. So I just flipped over both pieces. I'm just gonna let it cook a little bit more to ensure that like the eggs are cooked because I don't want it to be raw. Ooh, they're sticking together. But otherwise, I think that I'm gonna add a little bit more cinnamon. So now I'm gonna remove the bread from the pan and onto my plate. Cutting the stove off. Moving the pan off of where the heat was, because if you leave it on the heat, then, I don't know. I just learned that in culinary. And I'm just gonna wet my bowl. Wash my hands up a little bit. Okay, so after I just put syrup on it, you could just put whatever you like, but I just love syrup on mine. And I got some orange juice also because orange juice and French toast just go together so well. This is when like I just start eating because I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and comment down below. The other girls will be cooking whatever they're going to be cooking, but other than that, I will see you next Monday. And for now, I'm just going to finish eating
and have my orange juice.
Like a large glass full.